જૂનાગઢ જિલ્લાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓને વિદેશમાં ઉચ્ચ અભ્યાસ માટે જવાનું થાય જૂનાગઢમાં એવન્યુ ઓવરસીઝ નામની સંસ્થા વિઝા તેમજ અન્ય માર્ગદર્શન આપી વિદ્યાર્થીઓને કોઈપણ જાતના ટેન્શન વગર પોતાની કારકિર્દી ઘડી શકે તે અંગેનો એક સેમિનાર જૂનાગઢની કૃષિ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં રાખવામાં આવેલ હતું। આ સેમિનારમાં એન્જિનિયરના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ તેમજ વાલીઓએ હાજર રહી માર્ગદર્શન મેળવી સંતોષ વ્યક્ત કરેલ હતો।
અનુભવ કરશો એટલે તમે દર જઈને ઓટોમેટિક માર્કેટિંગ કરશો એટલે અમારા જો અનુભવ એવું છે કે અમે એક જ વસ્તુ માનીએ કે કોઈ પણ નંબર સ્ટુડન્ટ
not only in Australia but in US, Canada, New Zealand, UK, everywhere. This is a small map of New Zealand. The reason behind I'm showing New Zealand here, we had Dr. Korean's white revolution in milk started in NDDB. We were importing milk from New Zealand. There are more cows and sheep in New Zealand than human beings in New Zealand. They are the largest producer of milk in the world. A very small country compared to less than the size of man also achieved this. White revolution started by Dr. Korean of NDDB has helped us a lot, but still we have not to achieve. And to understand this, we have sent many students for agriculture courses for dairy development, agriculture, and all that to New Zealand, and they have been doing very well and successful over there. So this is small idea to give and understand. That's why we're talking about New Zealand. New Zealand graduates work all over the world, often are rated by employers having excellent training and work ethics. And New Zealand degrees are recognized all over the world, just to give you an example, and they are practical, modern and more desirable. Practical is the reason behind because practicality of day-to-day degrees, book knowledge is not that important. More practical hands-on experience is what you require more. And that's what you get from these qualifications from these countries. But while you are studying, and just a small example, while you are studying in New Zealand, you can work about 20 hours per week, part-time while studying. After successfully finishing your studies, New Zealand government gives you a work permit to work, find a job and work there. In the summer vacations, you can work for full-time. And you get 2 years open work permit to work in New Zealand, which every student on successful completion of studies can do that. And similarly, can apply for permanent residency in New Zealand. Eligible student partners can also work full-time while the spouse is studying, and all the spouses opportunities are there. But there's another country, again, Australia. You'll be surprised to know that Australia has now become the largest wheat producer in the world. It was America 2 years back, but now Australia is a country again producing largest wheat producer in the world, exporting agriculture products not only in the southern hemisphere but all over the world. Again, the dairy technology, agriculture products are in very high number. The opportunities, you'll be surprised to know that thousands and thousands of acres of farmlands are there. And there's a place known as Lismore in the state of New South Wales, where they are talking about we have settled down in a country like Lismore, city Lismore in the state of New South Wales, and they have thousands and thousands of acres of farm, and they are using modern technology in producing, and they were the largest producers of wheat farms. I have been there, I have seen their work. Living costs and tuition fees are lower than compared to other countries. Institutions are created by the government, as I said to you before. Australia provides multicultural environment. Australia is a country which is a migrant country. Being a migrant country, people from all over the world have come and settled out in Australia. So you need a lot of plus 2 years of work permit. Then after 4 years, you can apply for permanent residency in Australia. There are courses like agriculture and animal husbandry, courses in Australia and New Zealand offer comprehensive survey of key features involved in technical and scientific management and entrepreneurial position. Now, entrepreneurial position means they make you to be entrepreneur in the field of agriculture. Websites like career1.com.au, jobs, all that, etc. Just to give you an idea, so you can go on these websites also to know what are the opportunities in your field. When you apply, you have to find two things you have to do. You have to write a research. Only accept your research proposal unless until they have a guide to help you. So it takes about 2 to 3 years. Few years back, I think so Sharvil will be able to help you. We had sent few people from IIM Ahmedabad for research, and it took us about 2 years because the research proposal was sent and brought and all. And a research proposal has to be at least 30,000 words. So I have a lot of girls who have gone for environmental engineering and biotechnology compared to both in this field of studies over there.
I have money for only for visa, no visa, तो visa મળે કે ના મળે?
To pay the college fees. અને કોલેજની ફીસ તમે ભરશો અને તમે વિઝાના ક્રાઇટેરિયા મીટ કરશો તો તમને વિઝા 100% મળશે. if તમે વિઝાના ક્રાઇટેરિયા મીટ નહીં કરો તો તમને વિઝા નહીં મળે.
વિઝા ક્રાઇટેરિયા
હવે એ છે કે હવે મને અહીંયા એક્સપ્લેન કરવા જઈએ તો અડધો પોણો કલાક થશે. It's called every country has its own visa regulation. બીજી વસ્તુ એ છે કે અમે તમને વિઝા અપાવવામાં તમને વિઝાનું ગાઈડન્સ આપી શકે અને અમે આટલા વર્ષોનો અનુભવ છે, 16 વર્ષ જૂની કંપની છે, અમને વિઝાના રૂલ્સ રેગ્યુલેશન્સ ખબર હોય એટલે અમે પૂરો પ્રયત્ન કરતા હોઈએ કે તમને વિઝા મળે.
कंट्री में जाते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी होगी ना वहाँ पे.
हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है जब आप वहाँ पहुँचते हो तो आपको वहाँ पर कोई एयरपोर्ट पे लेने का है, क्योंकि आपके लिए नई कंट्री है, नया शहर है, नया एनवायरनमेंट है, तो हमारी जवाबदारी होती है कि आपको वहाँ से यहाँ से लेके उधर उसको वहाँ तक पहुँचाने की. आपको एयरपोर्ट पे कोई लेने को है, हम आपके लिए टेम्परेरी अकोमोडेशन अरेंज करते हैं. टेम्परेरी अकोमोडेशन होता है मिनिमम 2 वीक के लिए. हम जनरली लोगों को कहते हैं कि आप 1 महीने का हमारे को एकोमोडेशन लीजिए. आपको पसंद आए वो अकोमोडेशन तो आप उसको कंटिन्यू करिए, नहीं पसंद आए तो महीने के अंदर आप अपने चॉइस का अपना दूसरा ढूंढ लीजिए. एशियन डोमिनेशन पर ये मैं कहूँगा नहीं होता है तो वो भी झूठ है. हाँ, हर एक जगह पे अपने हिंदुस्तान में भी एशियन डोमिनेशन होता है. दिल्ली में आप देख लो क्या हो रहा है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट वालों के साथ, साउथ में जाइए बैंगलोर में भी होता है, सब जगह होता है. तो वो है, पर बंदी कोशिश हमारी ऐसी होती है कि जहाँ पर हम भेजते हैं बच्चों को, जहाँ हमारे बच्चे जाते हैं वहाँ पे बहुत ही मिनिमम 2 इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट. तो फॉर इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट IELTS, TOEFL and PTE, Pearson test of English, PTE. These 3 tests are there which you need. For the purposes, yes, you need to do that. Yes, you need these exams. TOEFL and GRE, and GRE is for US only US and Canada. Both these countries require, if you are planning to go for engineering, going for like management studies like MBA and all that, you need to do GMAT. But other countries you don't require GRE.
મારું નામ રઘુવીર સિંહ છે. હું એમન્યુઝ ઓવરસીઝ કંપનીનો CEO છું, ચીફ એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ ઓફિસર. અને અમે લોકો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને માહિતી અહીંયા આપવામાં આવ્યા છે જૂનાગઢ એન્જિનિયરિંગ કોલેજમાં, એગ્રીકલ્ચર કોલેજમાં. અને અમારી આ કંપની આ બધી સર્વિસીસ અમે આપીએ છીએ. પોસ્ટ સિલેક્શન, યુનિવર્સિટી સિલેક્શન, એડમિશન પ્રોસેસ, એડમિશન પ્રોસેસ કરીએ છીએ. જેટલી બને માહિતી આપીએ છીએ. તમે આ જૂનાગઢ એગ્રીકલ્ચર યુનિવર્સિટીના લોકો આભારી છે. તમને લોકો આવ્યા લોકો અહીંયા આ સેમિનાર કરવા માટે, અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને અમે આજે ત્રીજો સેમિનાર છે. અમે ડૉક્ટર સુભાષ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં કર્યું, ત્યાં 2 કેન્દ્ર આજે